Hello, everyone. Now, in this topic, we're going to find the domain and range using the table. So, basically, the domain is the value of x. Okay, again, domain is x, range is y. Okay, so now we're going to solve these two problems here. So, find the domain and range of each relation. Usually, on the STAAR test, this is written in order. So, I'm going to start with domain. So, my domain will be I'm going to start with -2. That's my smallest number there. Oh, my bad. The smallest number is -7, comma, -4, comma, -2, comma. Next number is 8 and 19. So these numbers are my domain. Now my range are the numbers under the y. The numbers under the y are, again, I'm going to write this in numerical order. I'm going to start from the smallest, which is -11, then -5, next is 6, 9, 12, and 17. So, so these are my domain and range for question number one. Now, I'm going to look for question number two. So I'm going to find also the domain and range of question number two. So I'm going to start from the smallest number, which is -19, for under x, 6, 1, 2, 15, and 18. So these are my domain under the x. These numbers are my domain. My range, I'm going to start from the smallest number, which is -20, -3, 4, 8, 9, and 16. So these are my range. Hold on, let's look at what they're asking for. So now here we go. Let's add some more. Let's try. Is this a function? Now to check if this is a function, I'm going to investigate the values on x. -7, -4, -2, -8, 10, and 19. So this is a function because there is no number that is repeated on the value under x. So this is function. While on number two, investigating these numbers under the x, there's no numbers repeating. So this is also a function. Thank you.